guess I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase.
What's good, y'all? It's your girl Aubrey. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another YouTube video. So in today's video, I thought I was gonna sue. Who am I suing, girl? Who are you suing, girl? Oh my gosh, it's early, don't judge me. But in today's video, I thought I would do like a chill type of vlog, clean my room with me, get ready for the day type of vibe for today. Just because I don't have nothing going on for real, and I'm like, you know, it could be a, you know, chill. Why not put a little video up showing a chill day for me? My room is a mess. I just be feeling like once I get through the work week, like I don't be doing nothing the whole work week, like laundry, all that, girl, it just piled up. So then like Thursday, Friday, Saturday hit, because my weekends start on Thursdays. Excuse me. My weekends start on Thursdays, and I'm just like, I'm not feeling it. I don't feel like doing anything. So I definitely didn't do nothing. Now Sunday is here. It's the August 7th today, and girl, I gotta get some stuff done before the work week starts. Laundry, just straightening up my room, just giving myself a clean palette to work with, so that, you know, I feel okay going into the work week with my surroundings being clean around me. So, you know, I'm just gonna be doing a little bit of cleaning. I might go down to the kitchen, give me a little bit of coffee, a little sip, you know, just a little vibe going on, you know what I'm saying? Also, I'm gonna be trying, why do I keep feeling like I gotta sneeze? I'm also gonna be trying to figure out how to put my nail on, girl. Why did my nails have not, well, it's been a week this week. This happened last night. All I did was adjust how my head was laying on my pillow, and it popped off. Not even pop off, it broke off, because like on the very bottom you can still see it, like it's still, some of the nail is there, but I got some glue, so we're just gonna see if I can get it back on. But I don't even feel like doing it right now, because I'm about to be moving stuff around my room and doing all this stuff, and it might pop back off again. So I don't know. I'm about to go get me some coffee going, and I might eat me a little bit of some fruit or whatever, and then I'm gonna get into the cleaning. So let's go. So yeah, like I had said in a previous clip, it really ain't gonna be much going on today for real. I'm gonna see what my mama wanna do for today. It's her day off, so once I finish all the cleaning and everything, it'll probably, she may be up by then, and we'll figure out what we're doing, because I asked her what we was doing and she said she didn't know, girl. So I don't know, but we're gonna see what's going on later. But I got my little mug ready, and I'm about to get some coffee going. Yes ma'am. Get ready for this chill vibe I'm about to set for y'all. Y'all ready? All right, come on. All right, y'all, so I'm just gonna sip my little coffee for a second, just take a second to just process how I feel this morning, and then I'm gonna get started with what I need to do. But it is 9:31 now, so I'm gonna sip my coffee for a second. I'm also gonna practice some Mandarin Chinese. Okay, I work with this woman who is Taiwanese, and we just got on the conversation of language. And so it all boiled down to her wanting to teach me Mandarin Chinese, which is her native language. So we decided that a couple words a day, she gives me time to process. So we just started this. So she gave me 3 words. So ni hao is hello. I also learned that 谢谢 is thanks. Thank you. Shushani. Shushani is thank you. And then bu kachi is you're welcome. I can't wait to get to work tomorrow to show her like I got the words down, what's next. She's making this an easy way of learning for me. I've never learned from another person. Like in high school I did, but this is different. Like learning from someone, it just feels so authentic and not forced, just the way we came on the conversation and me wanting to learn. So I'm just excited to see how much I learn.
Much later.
Y'all, my like coffee time turned into me laying back down playing video games on my phone. I'm playing this game called Merge Mansion. The ads kept popping up for it and I'm like, you know what, I'm sick of these. I'm sick of this. Let me just try it out and see. And it's actually kind of fun, but I feel like I'm waiting a lot to get enough energy to even do anything. So that's annoying. But it is 10:48. So once I'm done procrastinating, I am gonna get up and just start getting stuff straightened up. My goal is to be done straightening everything up before noon. So we gonna see. All right, y'all, so I'm done procrastinating now. So I just changed into something more comfortable so I could be moving around. It is 11:14, so I'm really starting later than I was supposed to somehow. And then my goal was to be done by noon, but we might go over just a little bit. I'm about to get started, so let's get into it. Hey. While I clean, I'm about to watch The Most Hated Man on the Internet on Netflix. I've been hearing some chatter about it, so I'm gonna see for myself what's going on. So that's gonna be my clean up watch for right now.
Check up on it, got it, flown it, boy, I know you want it. While I turn around you, watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on it, 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 come over and check up on it.
All right, y'all, so I'm about to chill out on cleaning until my laundry gets done. Then I can start putting my clothes away, organizing my clothes in my drawers and all of that stuff. I just got some little other stuff to do. I mainly just wanted to get my drawers organized, my dresser dusted off, back organized, bed made, laundry going. So I got everything going that I need to get going. But I really just gotta wait for my laundry to get all done. But I'm just about to wait for that to get done. So I will see y'all when it's time to actually start getting ready for the day. All right, so I'm not quite sure what I'm doing today. But I decided I'm just gonna go ahead and get my shower going, all that good stuff, and just start at least getting ready for the day. The sun has come out. It's just looking real nice outside, so hopefully by the time I'm done getting ready and everything, I will know more of what my mom and I are gonna be doing today. My hair looks a mess, but whatever. So I'm about to hop in the shower, and then when I get out, I'll see y'all then. All right, y'all, so a little update. It looks like today is her running errand day. So my mom just got some stores she want to go into, so I'm gonna go with her, keep her company while she do her thing, and I'm gonna be scoping out, seeing if there's anything that I need, which I really don't think it is. So I might be all right, but I'll see once I figure out what stores we actually going into. But I'm about to start getting ready, do my skincare, facial type stuff, rebrush my teeth because that coffee has my teeth feeling just a little bit not cool. And I ate some chocolate too, so and I had some fish sticks too. Girl, I've been snacking. But I'm about to start getting ready. I'm sorry, my eyes so irritated. Like before I came on camera, like before I got in the shower, I was really rubbing the heck out my eye. Now it's just really freaking irritated, and I'm really freaking sad that it feels weird and it looks like I'm going through something, sis, and I definitely am not. Yeah, girl, I be wanting to dig in my eye and I be forgetting I got these lashes and be having to stop myself, but this time I was really getting in there, digging in there, and I shouldn't have done it. I know better than that, but it's okay. So as you can see, my makeup routine ain't even really a routine, girl. I just wash my face, I clean my lashes, moisturize, put on a little bit of some highlight, line my lips, put on some lip gloss, and that's all I be doing because I don't know how to do my makeup for real. So I'm about to figure out what I'm wearing for today, and yeah, that's the next step. All right, y'all, so this is what I'm wearing today. At first I thought it would be a sandal type of day, but I'm really not feeling that right now. So I'm gonna wear this gray crop top with these denim shorts with these dunks, and then I got my little jewelry laid out, ankle bracelet, rings, necklace. So that's what I'm doing today, something chill. Also, this is the scent of the day. Y'all, why I come out my room? Now my mama got on gray too. It's crazy how stuff like that happened. Out of all colors we could have both had on today, and we both wearing gray. Like, what is going on? Okay, y'all, so here's a better view. Here's my outfit. I'm wearing this gray crop top with the shorts and these dunks with my denim purse. Okay. Y'all, we are in Walmart right now. Yeah, we just gotta get some things. I wanted to look for me a new ring light, and I'm gonna show y'all what I found. I just gotta figure out what the price of it is, but I'm gonna show y'all what was found. Found this. This looks like this will be an upgrade from the one I got from Amazon, so we will see. All right, y'all, so we are back home from Walmart. Nails still held on, it's still there. So I'm about to eat, check out this new ring light and everything like that. So I will see y'all when I'm about to eat my dinner to close out the vlog, y'all. Okay, y'all, so before we bring this to a close, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm eating for dinner, which don't judge me. I got some good old Chef Boyardee spaghetti and meatballs. And then I just made me a little salad to go on the side. So that's gonna be real good. I can't wait to get into that. But before we do get into that, I just wanna open up this new ring light. So I love my ring light that I've got, but like it has a short in it. So if I move the cord a certain way, my ring light goes out, and it's on a tripod that holds my phone and everything. I love it. I got it off Amazon. I've had it for probably over a year now, maybe even longer than that. And it's done me good, but now it has a short in it. So I had to go find me something else that was kind of similar. So this is the ring light. It's a 16-inch white RGB ring light kit. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna do a little comparison. So what you're seeing now is me on the old ring light, and I'm about to show y'all what it looks like on the new ring light. Okay, y'all, so this is the new ring light. I already can tell a huge difference in how it looks. Oh my gosh. The remote works. I'm just gonna show you. I'm turning it off, turning it on. Good. It says different modes, so I'm clicking through the modes. Okay, so there's 3 modes. I can dim it, make it brighter. Now RGB, oh my gosh, I wish I could see. It's like all these different colors. Okay, we got the red, green, blue. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Yellow, purple. Ooh, purple is giving. Okay, it's giving. Ooh, we got cyan. Okay, so that's what we got. I love. So yeah, that's my new ring light that I'm gonna be in the videos with or whatever. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank y'all so much for tuning in on this Sunday chill vibe, chill vlog type of situation. I hope y'all have a good day or night, whatever it is for you, and I will see y'all in the next one. I know I said the vlog was over, but I just gotta share this right here. Why I went to go put my old ring light tripod away, and this fell off of it. So when I say me getting this new ring light was perfect timing, because what the heck? It was on this last leg. It was on this last leg. It is a blessing that I got that ring light today, because oh my gosh, wow. But okay, I just had to share that because that was just kind of crazy how that happened. But love y'all.